So this is the ETENWOLF vacuum storage bag set, and this is such a good value set, and look how small and compact it is. In this box is the vacuum plus 20 bags. So I'll let you know the sizes and I'll show you what's in here. This is the vacuum, and look how tiny it is. So this is perfect for storage or for travel, especially if you're going skiing or something like that, where you have like a lot of warm clothes, sweaters, jeans. This will help you save so much space in your suitcase. But it just comes with this. It's like smaller than my hand. It's rechargeable USB-C. It does come with its own cable. I did charge it already, but it uses USB-C. So any kind of like iPad, phone charger would do. These are just the clips to help seal the bags. This is the largest bag, is 39.4 inches by 27.6 inches. So there's 5 of them. These would be really great for comforters, sheet sets, pillows. Like if you like to travel with your own pillow, this would be really great. That way you can put it in your suitcase and it won't take up too much room. But this is the size of the largest. This one is 31.5 inches by 23.6 inches. This one's 23.6 inches by 15.8 inches. And the other medium is 27.6 inches by 19.7 inches. So this is the smallest bag. Still pretty big, would fit a lot of like clothing, shirts. What I'm gonna do today is I'm trying to like clean up my sewing areas of a lot of fabric. I've been storing them in this type of bag, which is good because it's clear, but it's really bulky and you know, it does take a lot of space. I have about 3 or 4 of those. So I have this stack of material that I do want to try and organize, and I want to put it in a vacuum bag. It actually keeps it nicer, dust free, and since it's clear you can also see all the fabric. I've used these a lot though for traveling, and it saves so much space, especially when you have like a lot of like fluffy items. I also use these kind of bags for my towels and sheets that we're not using at the moment. So I just have them all in here. Then you use one of these clips. I've had other vacuum bags before, and they actually, you need a vacuum. So it's good in the sense that it works, but you also need a vacuum, so you can take it for traveling. And I've also tried the other ones where, you know, you kind of put it in the bag and then you roll it, which works okay, but it kind of alters the shape of the things inside. So one side ends up being kind of like bulky because you've rolled it to squeeze the air out. So you take one of the zipper pulls and then you pull it, and it closes both of the Ziploc things and seals it tight. And then right here is a valve, so you can open the valve. So you put it on, and it is compacted. I'll show you with a sweater also. So usually when we travel, I take like one of these lightweight puffy jackets that keeps you warm, and you know, it's really light, so it's easy for you to carry. Sometimes we have this fleece one, or I have my kids' jackets usually. So let's just try 2 puffy jackets. Put it in the small bag. So this is how much space it would take in your luggage. I mean, look how tiny this is now, and it's still pretty light. So to re-inflate it, all you do is just open the bag up again. And take your stuff out. Yeah, I love how portable this is. You can even keep it in your purse if you wanted to just put this in your backpack or something. So handy and so useful for so many things around the house, for travel. Such a great gift too, in case, because who doesn't need one of these somewhere in your life? Thank you to ETENWOLF for sending me this to try. I can't wait to use it on all my sewing items right now.